why don't we put the ladder over there? I'll be over there. You be over here. Those will be pretty easy to just pick up and get rid of.
Got one whole side, walls, windowed, and roof on the workshop. big door is up. It's got some tracks on it with the rollers, but we don't have the tracks going all the way up to the ceiling yet, so we can't open it. But it's held in place with those tracks. Now we just need to get those other tracks up on the ceiling. We hung up some temporary lights in here because it was getting pretty dark. Now that we've got everything closed in and metal, and all we've got is windows and the door to let in light. So we just got these two big 10,000 lumen lights, and it really lights up the place.
Yeah, that's good. That's plenty right there, yeah. But go slow, but get slower. Take off the north-south thing. I did. I did.
Is how we did the measure the screws in the roof. So we took a screw here and a magnet and pretend this is the rafter. You put it up against the metal, and then on the top, you take the screw and feel around, and it goes to the edge of the magnet. And then you measure over a couple inches, and then it takes you to the middle of the board. And then we just made a mark and screwed it in, and it works every time. So there's a good tip for putting screws in your roof. Here we go. We've got the cupola on, and here's the gutters ready to be put in place. We've got the big door up, all the screws in the roof, including the lean-to. And on the inside, we've got the walls spray foam insulated. And on the ceiling, we've got some lights for temporary. And right now, we're just storing some vehicles in here. That's gonna be all for this video. We're gonna put the rest of the details into some other videos. And until next time, bye.